So, I won a sweepstakes through Absolute Vodka, and I just received my gift here. Oh, let me see, I just found something else with my name on it. I'm going to try to cover that up. Or my address. I love you all, but you never know. Alright, let me rip this off. Alright, let's open this up. What did I get in the sweepstakes? Huh? Ooh, a Get Juicy visor. Ooh, that'd be nice for summer. And what is this? Ooh. An Absolute Juice fanny pack. I love how shiny that is. I'm gonna so wear this to the next funk concert I go to. Oh, ooh. This is fancy. Ooh, a fan. I wonder what the fan says. Get Juicy. Look how pretty that is. Look at that. Look how pretty it is. It has strawberries and apples on it. Ooh. It says it on both sides as well. Ooh. And then, oh, I got a handwritten letter. Tracy, thanks for getting juicy with us. We heart you. Hugs and kiss, Absolute. That's so cool. So this is so cool. Absolute juice. Get juicy. It would have been even cooler if on this side it said Lizzo. So she is the spokesperson, spokesmom for the brand. Well, thank you for joining Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to make suggestions of what you would like to see me cook. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.